How to recover 1 or 4-year-old WhatsApp messages without backup. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So generally, in order to recover WhatsApp messages without backup is not possible. It's not practical enough. So if you want to try, then we can definitely try to contact the WhatsApp support. If not, then you can definitely launch the Play Store application over here. And as you launch the Play Store application, just tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. So here what we have to do is simply tap on the application and then tap on uninstall and then reinstall this application again. So when you reinstall the application, the data that has been in your device or in that particular WhatsApp account generally gets recovered or restored. So that's the only way possible to recover 1 or 4-year-old WhatsApp messages without the backup. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.